उत्सव मनाने का नहीं, अपने कर्तव्यों को पहचानने का है। आज़ादी यूं ही हमें मिली नहीं, यह बलिदानों को याद दिलाने का है। न राजा बड़ा न शासक महान, यह देश जनता के विश्वास से बना। संविधान ने दिया हम सबको सम्मान, हर नागरिक से इसका भविष्य सना। तिरंगा तभी ऊंचा लहराएगा जब सोच हमारी भी ऊंची बने। तिरंगा तभी ऊंचा लहराएगा जब सोच हमारी भी ऊंची बने। भारत महान तभी कहलाएगा जब जिम्मेदारी हर हाथ में थमे। Honorable Chief Guest, respected principals, esteemed teachers and fellow brothers and sisters, warm greetings to each one of you. I am Sanskriti Sharma, a student of Christ High School, Lambedi, and I am delighted and honored to stand here today. Today, we gather here to celebrate India's 77th Republic Day. As you all are very well aware that 77 years ago, the founding document of our country, the Constitution, came into effect. The Constitution provides us one collective identity as Indians and has binded us together since the past 77 years. These 77 years were not the blink of an eye. This has been the time when the long dormant soul of India has awakened again. Among the oldest civilizations, India was once a source of knowledge and wisdom. The world was astonished at its prosperity, and the inventions like zero, the decimal system, and Ayurveda showed its brilliance. But then came the dark phase. Repeated invasions and later the British colonial rule drained its wealth, dimmed its light, and disturbed its industries. Yet the spirit of people could not be crushed. The freedom struggle, led not only by prominent leaders but also by many unsung heroes, reignited hope and culminated in India's independence in 1947. But even after independence, India faced massive challenges like poverty, partition, and communal tension. One of the biggest problems was to give India its own set of rules and values. Thus, the making of Constitution began soon after independence, on 29th of August 1947. It took nearly 3 years of debate, discussion, and careful crafting, after which the Constitution was adopted on 29th of November 1949. And finally, it came into effect on 26 January 1950, transforming India into a sovereign, socialist, democratic republic. Republic Day reminds us that India is a country where every citizen is equal, no matter their caste, religion, language, or region. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. It's a set of rules and values that guides our nation and gives us fundamental rights. But most importantly, it gives us some fundamental duties, reminding us that freedom comes with responsibility. Today, let us honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and the vision of our constitution makers. A great nation is not built by powerful leaders. It's built by citizens who are hardworking, honest, and responsible. The youth are the future of India. India doesn't need streaming youth, it needs disciplined ones. India needs youth who are not only intelligent but also kind, patriotic, and responsible. Today, India is growing fast in fields like science, technology, and advancement. From launching satellites to digital payments, India is making its mark on the global stage. However, there are still some problems like poverty, communalism, and air pollution. Republic Day reminds us that India is a country where every citizen is equal. Republic Day reminds us that progress is a shared responsibility and every citizen in India has a role to play in making India clean, green, and prosperous. Today, let us take a pledge. Let us take a pledge to be responsible and honest citizens, to contribute in the country's nation, and to work for a better and stronger India. In conclusion, India is not just a day. Republic Day is not just a day. It's a day to remind us that we should respect our constitution and the national laws and the rules made by the government. Let us honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighters and the vision of our constitution makers. May our Tiranga always fly high. सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश को ना रुकने दूंगा, मैं देश को ना झुकने दूंगा, मैं देश को ना रुकने दूंगा। मेरा वचन है भारत माँ से, तेरा शीश नहीं झुकने दूंगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।